So I spent some more time on the front grille, and I got the grille out. I've cleaned the whole front bumper with steel wool. I've also cleaned up the 442 badge with steel wool. It was a problem getting it out because the clips, these little clips, even though this is a New Mexico car, these clips were rusted and very, very hard to get out without just destroying the plastic that it was attached to. So I used some liquid wrench and I doused the clips and bolts in with the liquid wrench, and I finally got the grill out. So that's what I got now. I did break one tab on the corner. I have the pieces, so I'm just going to try and repair it. But other than that, I didn't do any more destruction than was already there. There was one tab broken, another tab has like a bit of it missing. And then on this side, I was able to get them out without causing any damage. That one was missing. Well, anyway, so I've got to get the grill and let's test fit it in and let's see how this is going to look. So this is the replacement grill that I have, and it's supposed to fit just right in. It looks exactly like the original. Here, I'll just pull this out of the bag. So I've managed to attach the 442 emblem to the grill. It didn't attach as well as what I thought it should, and I ended up having to put a washer on one of them because the clip didn't hold it in as tight as it needed to be. So anyway, with that little washer there, it tightened up the one side, and so there's the 442 on the grill. Okay, the problem that I'm having right now is I can get the clips in on that side. The clips on this side pull out a bit, and the center screws, they seem to be too big for those posts. So I think what I got to do now is pull it out and see if I can work those screws into those posts. If I can't, then I'll have to find a smaller screw.